Hello, and welcome to the TechShare series. Today, we are going to explain the relationship between Modbus and RS485. You may have heard of these two terms, but do not know exactly how they work, how to read Modbus RS485 communication protocol.
Don't worry, one video for you to understand, industrial control beginners can understand after watching.
First of all, what is Modbus RS485 communication protocol? Actually, Modbus is a communication protocol that allows devices to communicate with each other through standardized commands and data formats. RS485, on the other hand, is a physical layer communication method that allows multiple devices to be connected simultaneously over a single cable for data transmission. Simply put, Modbus is the language, and RS485 is the channel. Modbus transmits data over RS485, just like you would make a phone call over a phone line. So, how to read Modbus RS485 communication protocol? Actually, you need to connect the electronic communication module correctly, set the serial port parameters, open the serial port, read and write registers, and check the communication status. Let's look at the specific steps. After the device is powered on, we need to set the serial port number, baud rate, parity bit, and data bit. The setting of these parameters is crucial to ensure smooth communication. After the setup is complete, the serial port is open to start the communication. In read register address, by sending the corresponding command, we check whether the communication status is normal or not. In write register area, you can write the value to the specified register address. After completion, the communication status is checked again to ensure that the write operation is successful. With this video, do you understand the relationship between Modbus and RS485? Isn't it not difficult to read Modbus RS485 communication protocol? Remember, Modbus is the language, and RS485 is the channel, and they are used together in a wide range of industrial control areas. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more content. We'll see you next time.